facts over tracks. Isn't that spitting slow, spitting fast? I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I've got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I've got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages, a vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I've got no love.
What's going on? How we doing? How we doing? Ooh, exclamation point Barbles, get up bed. 940 first race. TCG Andy, good morning. Buzz, good morning. Infinite Jess, good morning. Zishan, Vegeta, FBY, AS, Sugar Rush, Sensei. Steven, how we doing? Hey Steven, try exclamation point mail. See what happens. I don't even know if it's gonna work, but it might. El Lucador, Mandelbrot, Kevin Baker, Bullish Bear, John Doe, Sam Gaming, Chris Ed Q, Points Hunter, LND, Trader to B, Enrique.
You've got mail.
Texas UAV Pilot, Marie de Ancampo. I heard you got your account this morning. Let's go. Good morning, everybody. GDT, I'm not gonna lie, I don't remember it being that bad. But I mean, honestly, like once you use it for a little bit, it's not that bad. Like I understand it's not great, but I feel like once you get used to it, it's not that bad. Steve, it's on cooldown just like all the others. Come on now. Come on now. All right, we got a minute until the open here. Let's get serious for a second, shall we? Ice Bear, thank you for the subscription. Welcome to the Vala gang. I almost said Vala, the old one. Welcome to the Vala gang. May the ticks be with you. All right. Let's go over to the NQ. Get rid of all these lines. About 30 seconds here. Got the obvious high a day. Pretty decent line there. Another one here. And then we're not again until down there. What does 21 look like? It's actually not much. Okay, I think we know what we're going to do here. I kind of want to front run the highs if we can. I'm not so sure that's going to be a good idea. So we're obviously going to go back here and go there. All right, there we go. Let's see what happens. All right, in. See if we can get the continuation. And out. Sweet. Good opening trade again. I really should just make an account and do the opening trade because obviously that seems to be working. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. Hit that like button while you're there. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. By the way, if you didn't notice, the 100K Tradeify straight to funded account that we were giving away has been upgraded to 150K straight to funded. We are now playing for the 150K Tradeify straight to funded account, the big dog. The big dog. That is all thanks to Marie Dan Campo and company, because I fought a little bit with Brett to get their account, and we happened to come across their, wow, look at this push. We happened to come across their account. Anyways, so now we have a 150K account to give away. So let's go. It worked out for everyone involved. They got their account. We got another account to give away. And of course, I'm going to give it to you guys. Oh, man. Look at this move. And right back down. Every part of me would want to hit buy here because we were retesting. Of course I didn't jump in there, right? That would have been too easy. Look at this. This is, man, the opening can get so volatile. That's crazy. You would have thought we would try to bounce there, but the open is no joke. The open don't care what you think. Like, what do you do? What do you do with that? It went all the way up through the highs, absolutely smacked it, and now we're all the way back down to the lows of the opening move. What is that? Have any of you heard of the futures desk? The futures desk is that new company that's rolling out. They have allotted me 20 invites to invite people over there. They're doing it invite only so that they don't have like an influx of new people. So if you are someone that would like to get invited as being part of my live stream, and I know that pretty much everyone here are regulars, if you would like to be one of the ones invited, find me in Discord, DM me or email, and I will get you invited. I have 20 uses, so I have 20 invites to give out. So if you would like one of them, come find me in Discord. I will post the link to the Discord. When you're in Discord, I am the one that says volatility trading. I have exclamation points on both sides of my name, and I have the blue and orange banner that goes around. When you click on it, it will move. If for some reason, I'm gonna go see if there's any imposters in there right now, but the imposters, theirs will not move because it's just a screenshot of my name. I don't currently see any in there, so we should be good. But yeah, if you would like an invite to the futures desk, shoot me your email in a DM on Discord, and I will get it over to you. Sishan, what is this market doing? Holy smokes. Let me pull up my invites real quick. So I already got some of you inviting me. Now keep in mind, this is not like free accounts or anything. You would still have to buy an account if you would like in, but you will be in, you'll be able to. Like people, not everyone is going to just be able to do it because like I said, it's invite only. Man. Oh man, I can not wait till this cough goes away. My son finally stopped coughing like yesterday. So I'm pretty excited about that.
Oh, you gotta give him that huck and spit on that thing. You get me?
All right, let me go in here. Let me find it. Invite on the left. There we go. All right, it actually says I have 22. All right, one invite has been sent. Here comes the second one. I only had 2 of you message me so far, so. All right, those 2 invites have been sent out. All right, we got 3 minutes, a little under 3 minutes until, oh, we are red on the day. What a down move. They went up and snuck that liquidity. And down we go. This looks so bad on the 15-minute chart. Holy smokes. Take a look at this. Here's yesterday. Like all of yesterday morning. And then look, one candle. That's crazy. So apparently, when you guys saw me trading my Tradeify account yesterday, remember how I had that weird delayed fill twice?
You've got mail.
The one you couldn't see because I think we were in the marbles race, but the second one, when I hit it and it showed, or it did it twice, I only had hit it. Remember I said I had only hit it once? Well, I hit it once and it didn't show up right away. And then when I hit it the second time, it filled right away, but then it filled me the other one like right after. And I was kind of confused, but I just kind of said whatever because I was in the losing trade. I was annoyed at myself anyway. Well, apparently Tradeify was having issues yesterday, and supposedly they were going to reset the accounts that had red trades during that time. My account did not get reset, so I'm not going to touch that account today until I hear back from their support. So yeah, just to let you guys know about that. This is a crazy down move. I would be scared to touch this. All right, 1 minute until marbles. One more time, I'll spit this out again today or now, and then I won't say it again until later. I'm posting the Discord in the chat right now. If you would like to get invited to the futures desk for an opportunity to be one of the first ones a part of their system and their prop firm, like I said, they are very, very, I don't even know how to put it, like very well backed. The guy that is running it is the guy who essentially started up and ran Blue Sky. And I think the co-owner or something. I think his story was that the co-owner wanted to go a different direction than he did, and it's very focused on getting people to live accounts. So if that's something you're interested in, and it's very hands-on. They have coaches, so like once you buy an account, you have access to everything that they offer. They have coaches, they have the journaling, they have all this. I'm not trying to promote them, I'm just telling you what they offer. But I am supporting them. I know the guy Josh, who is the owner, and I've been talking to him nonstop for pretty much the last 3 months, and the way that he's been handling everything on the back end and just being so transparent about everything, it's exactly what I would hope for out of a prop firm. And the fact that I am kind of involved as well leads me to know that everything is being done correctly. So you dated his sister. But yeah, if I did send you the invite, Steve. If you're interested in that, find me in the Discord. I'll post a link one last time here for this morning, and DM me your email and I will send you an invite. I only have 20 invites left. I had 20. I thought I only had 20, but I had 22. So there it is. All right, we're actually starting to get a bounce. Let's play some marbles. Let's do the marbles thing. All right, closing it up. Steve's having some fun. I don't think those work on. Oh yeah, I guess they do. I don't have it. I don't have it on. They're copied onto marbles, but I don't think I have them on the actual thing. I'll have to fix that. Maybe I'll do that while the marbles race is running. All right, 101. Nope, can't hear it. All right, I'll fix it. I might have to get rid of the text in the chat though, because every time I duplicate it to a different scene, it would say it again. So I might have to get rid of the text in the chat, but it'll still do it like on the screen and whatnot. I think that's what I'll do, because then I can put it on all of them. All right, go back to build. It was 101. 101 Dalmatians. Let's go. The chart is going right back to the lows. All right, for 150K, Tradeify straight to funded account worth $420 currently, $700 normally. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Jason S. Let's get it. First one down. So, by the way, we are still 40% off on Tradeify accounts, straight to funded accounts, until December 1st. 50% off the advanced and growth accounts for Tradeify. They are kind enough to give these accounts away. That is the obligatory promotion to let you know what current sales they have going on. 40% for straight to funded, 50% off the growth and advanced accounts. Here we go. Pew, 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 pew. Up we go. Jag, you got saved, but you got saved into the left side. I have a feeling today's vote is going to be for the left side wall here. What do you guys think? Because there's a lot of people still dying there. Holy smokes. I'm just going to put the vote in now. I got a feeling we know what's going to happen here. Start a poll. Map change. Left side wall of death. Or flatten and flatten one end platform. All right, get your votes in for the poll. Everybody in? Everybody's in. Super Cyan. Who we got down there? Fam Parla Phone. First one into the laser show. Here we go. Yeah, I got a couple more people who want invites. I'm gonna send those out real quick. Remember, if you are gonna email, DM me. Just DM me your. Oh, you're good. DM me your email when you do. Lord's Play, here we go. To the lasers. Lord's Play leading the way. Through 3. It's lining up. No! Go! Oh, no! You were going in, but it got you. No. Not going to be lined up. Muck. Not going to be lined up. Have Mochi. Our last chance. Get out of the way, Muck. No. Dang it. Exclamation point marbles in the chat. Ah, that sucks. That sucks so bad. Exclamation point marbles in the chat. Get them in. Oh, that sucks so bad. All right. I'm going to go over to the MNQ here. And I'm going to look for this move back up. All right, we're going to take 2 contracts here, and we're going to see if we can't get the move back up here. Quite a far stop. This is me. I'm more so playing the 15-minute chart here. It's probably not that great to play it this early in the day, but I don't see it being that big of a problem. I was really looking for this area to get broken to the upside. We're still kind of there. I was waiting for the first 15 minutes to close, which was here. And once we started breaking above that, it's kind of what I'm looking at here. If we get above red to green, I will move my stop to break even. So then it will be a free trade. I'm actually going to move my stop up here at this point. I don't think we should come back below here. Anyway. Actually, I'm just going to use the bottom of this candle. Because I feel like we should, yeah. Alright, moving up to break even. Maybe, if it lets me. But we're looking for the much bigger move here. Fortunately, it looks like we're going to get stopped out right away. Okay. Okay! It's alright. It was a free trade. Not going to complain. All right, everyone who has asked for the invite, I have sent it. Excuse me. Again, if you'd like the invite to the Futures Desk, I have 17 of them left. Find me in Discord and DM me your email. That's it. Or do we get back in here? I think we do. Looking for the bigger move. Same thing though, if we get up above red to green, going to break even. All right, we're there. Yeah, let's see if we can actually continue up here. I'm looking for the much bigger move. Oh, come on. I was hoping it would use red to green as a support there. There we go. Looking for a much bigger move somewhere at the top of this V, maybe even towards high of day. I would say ideal would be 837 or so. Somewhere right around here. I mean, the complete V would be high of day. I mean, you think we get there? It's starting to look like we might. Do we go for it? What would that be? That'd be a nice little trade. Maybe we just front run 900. Assuming we actually get there. Yeah, I want to get into the business of free trades. I like the idea of free trades. You have to give it some room to work, but once you get up a certain amount, like, it needs to turn into a free trade. You can't allow it to be up a decent amount like this and then allow it to go red on you. That just wouldn't make sense. Although it does suck too if you get up this much and then it does come back and you end up breaking even too. That's never fun either. By the way, next exclamation point. Next marbles race we'll do at 10 o'clock. Literally just took the same trade a little lower though. Nice. I do partials in that case. Not a bad idea. Yeah, I've been thinking if I could like have more contracts here, like if I had 5 contracts, I could take off like 3 and then like let the other 2 ride. Like when we get to this point, because having it come all the way back down and stop me out for basically break even would suck, you know. Like I could take 1 off, but I don't know, is taking 1 off really worth it? I mean, I'm gonna say it would have been when I'm about to get stopped out break even. Cleared 335, locking up for the day. Let's go, Craig. Oh, there it is. Boo! Boo! Well, it was a good cut, at least, right? I mean, we are going lower, so can't really complain about that. Just sucks because I was really hoping we got the bigger push. All right, I now have 15 invites left. 15 invites left.
Oh, you gotta give him that huck and spit on that thing. You get me?
You've got mail.
Ah. Are these the MNQ? They are. All right. So the bottom of this candle is right here. So if we cross below this, the odds are we might actually start heading lower. Do we use Vala when getting an account with the future says? Yes. 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 Desk. Yes. Yes. I believe by inviting you, I think it automatically kind of puts you under the code, but I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But yes, code Vala as always. Oh yeah, let me get rid of, I forgot about that, Steve. Thank you. Delete. Yes. 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 Oh, no. That's not what I want to delete. Delete. Yes. All right. Should be good there. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 dum, 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 dum. All right. Did I miss any questions? If I did, I am sorry. Feel free to ask again, and I will more than happily. All right, Steve, it should work now where you can see and hear everything. You just won't get the message in chat, which means I should be able to now copy everything over to Marble. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. And have it work there as well. Somebody's saying they haven't gotten it yet. It says added to invite list and welcome email was sent when I click it. Let me... Has anyone received the email that has given me their email to send it? Because I've sent it to everyone who's given me their email address. Has anyone actually received an email from it yet? Yes? Alright, Steve said he did, so maybe just give it a sec. Yeah, let's just give it a second. We'll okay, John said he did as well. So yeah, just be on the lookout. It might not come through right away. All right, duplicate. Let me pull you this way. There we go. Marbles. Marbles. Okay. Duplicate. Oh, Steve, the things I do for you. I hate how, like, when I start laughing, it just straight up makes me start coughing. I can't even laugh without coughing. I can, like, force myself to start coughing. All I gotta do is start laughing. All right, last one. And then I just have to make sure that they're all copied over. All right, so exclamation point marbles. We're going to play here in about less than a minute. Just give it a sec. Just give it a sec. You got it? Sweet. It was in my junk folder. Well, that's not good. Make sure you set it so that it will go to your inbox. Damn, I should have just got short. So far, it would have worked. I'd be in a free trade. It's all right. We'll let things smooth out there. Okay, I'm gonna switch over to marbles, but we're not playing just this yet. But get your exclamation point marbles in. I'm gonna see which ones I have. Womp womp, pivot, Walk to a cash register. All right, so which ones don't I have? Just you've got mail, right? All right, so copy, paste, push that down there. The alert box should be there. All right, let's play some marbles. All right, closing it up. I hope you're in. If you're in, you're in. Oh, Jag, you better be in there. I'll check real quick. Jag, Jag, Jag. Jaggedy, Jag, Jag. Yep, you're in there. All right, 106. All right, Steve, all the things should work here on Marbles now as well. Just for your pleasure. My pleasure, as the Chick-fil-A employees would say. Here we go. 150K Tradeify straight to funded account worth $420 with the current 40% off discount. In 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. TCG Andy is here. Donovan McNabby Poo. First one down. First one into the gauntlet. Well, they still might be on cooldown though, Steve, because they are on global cooldown. But once they're off cooldown. Wait for your timer to go off. How did you die, Michael? Where did you even fall off? I didn't know you. I didn't even know that that was a thing that early. That's one thing I wish they had on here was like a replay option. You can go back and do like a replay. That would be cool. Oh, you're like already up there. Yeah. I was going to go up and see it. Yeah, a lot of people die there too, but as we remember from last time, there was no way to prevent that. You either make it or you don't. Not after the, oh, Steve, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Steve. After this race, not this race, but the next race, after the third race of the day is when we do the map change. So get your votes in, but it looks like we have a winner so far. So we got the right wall up. Now we need the left wall. Super Saiyan, Supernova, Mez Services, the last one, but dead. All right, here we go. Down below, Kevin Daytrader out in the lead. First one to the laser show. We did break the lows on the chart, by the way. Oh, we're not even at the actual lows. We're almost there. Kevin going down the right side, getting lasered. The OG Tradeify. It's so funny, too, that it's spelled the exact same way. Jack of all trades, trying to be first one through the laser show. Gonna get shot to the right where those lasers are. Good to go. Make sure you roll out. Rolls out perfectly. Good to go. On the right side is good. Right side means life and a chance to get pegged before going into the last 4 lasers. Pegged indeed. Rolls in. Here we go. Jack of all trades. First one into the lasers. Ooh, that was close. Did not make it. Tradeify playing around here. Into the lasers. Here we go. Tradeify knew that if they waited, no, platforms are lining up now. That's not good. That's not good. You're going to make it, but the platforms are not aligned. Paperman, platforms are not aligned. Points Hunter. Donald Cooper, you have a shot. You have a shot. Bounce, bounce. No! That was it? Ugh, that was a bad race. That was a bad one. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. We'll run the next one at 10:20. 10:20. Get them in. Did it work, Steve? I didn't know. I didn't see if you did it or not. What do you think about TickTick? I actually just signed up with them yesterday. I don't have an account with them. I tried reaching out to them to see. I saw Kelly said she was given some accounts to give away. Stock Butcher. Here, hold on. I'll get you the... Stock Butcher, real quick. I'm posting the link to the Discord if you're not already in there. If you want a link to the Futures Desk or an invite to the Futures Desk, join the Discord. DM me your email address, and I will get you invited. I have 14 left.
Oh, you gotta give him that huck too and spit on that thing. You get me?
Yeah, so TickTick, if you use code VALA, you will get the discounts, all the best discounts. I did sign up with them yesterday. I did a lot of research before signing up with them, and they now have straight to funded. And yes, it is a lot like my funded futures. So if you are going to use TickTick, they are known to pay out pretty fast. I do have to do a little bit more of a deep dive into their rules, but everything does seem to be pretty good. I mean, TickTick's been around for quite some time, so that's not an issue. Longevity's been there, and they took a while. They didn't just throw out some random straight to funded account. Their rules on it look pretty good from what I saw up front, and they just signed with Tradeify. So Tradeify is also a good way to determine whether a broker is doing good things, or a firm is doing good things, I should say. And so, yeah, there is now the option of code VALA at TickTick. I will be looking into getting an account. Like I said, I know that Kelly got some free accounts, so I reached out to them. I have not heard back just yet, but I was hoping to get some free accounts from them to give away to you guys as well. So be on the lookouts. Be on the lookout for that. I also saw that we're very close to Take Profit Trader, getting to that level where I get the free account. So if we do get that by the end of the month on Take Profit Trader, I will also be giving away that account as well, assuming we get it. It's always been this way. If I get an account to give away, it's coming right to you guys. All right, looks like I'm about to send out 2 more invites to the Futures Desk. So that leaves me with 12. I will have 12 left. Yep, I got it. Sent it. I got 12 left, guys. If you want an invite to the Futures Desk, please just DM me on Discord. I will send it right in. You're fast and good at multitasking. Yeah. I was always pretty good at multitasking, but now that I have 2 kids, especially like the age they're at, they're 8 and 6, they keep you on your feet. I feel like every day I have like 10 to 15 things to do. And usually I'm doing 2 or 3 of them all at once. Just kind of how life works, I guess. Speaking of that, I sent in a bug fix. I'm just curious if they fixed it. I'm curious, can anybody, yeah, I guess I could do that. Hold on, let me hit refresh and see if the bug is fixed. It is not. I can't, it's hard for me to show you what I want to show you, because it is having a little bit, here, I'll show you what I'm talking about. He did say he's going to fix this, but see how the bottom part where you would add an account, to your cart, for some reason, he's got it set as transparent, which is fine when it's down here. But if you're scrolling through everything, you can't see it. He said he was gonna fix it real quick. Well, I mean, that's like the first problem I've come into. But this is their website. So if you come up here, I can click on here and it'll take me to the charts, or maybe not, because oh, I don't have any plans. All right, so maybe they took it out of the. Let me pull this up real quick and see if it works. Okay, so it works on this. Let me just make this smaller. So this is their desktop platform. Oh, hold on, I gotta. Yeah, it's still doing it on here as well. And I have no plans. So right here, when you have a plan, you'll hit this to toggle and it'll take you to the charts, the journal, etc. I've talked about this before. But yeah, so you'll come up here and you actually get to choose your accounts. So right now, I don't know. It doesn't have, I guess they don't have Rhythmic up and running just yet. So they have what's basically like Top Step X, but it's their platform, which is TFDX, the Futures Desk. And then, so you get to choose your account. You get to make your account, whatever you want it to be. So you have end of day or a static account. So there's no trailing option, right? So there's no trailing like Apex or Bulenox, etc. It's literally just end of day or a static. So you get to choose that. Then you get to choose what you want your max loss to be on the account, which you can go anywhere from $1,000 max loss with a $400 daily loss, or you could go all the way up to $3,000 max loss with a $1,200 daily loss. So you can literally pick anything from min to max or anything in between. And as you can see, the price will change based on that. I know right now it's hard to see, but you can still kind of see it. And then you get to choose how many contracts you want your max position size to be. You can go anywhere from 1 mini / 10 micros all the way up to 12 minis, 120 micros. So it's completely up to you how you want to trade and how many contracts you want to trade. So if you're someone that trades, say 3 minis, and then you can choose 3 minis. You're someone that likes to go YOLO, you can go YOLO. You know, it's completely up to you. If you like to DCA and you use up to 5, you can choose 5. Like it's literally completely up to you, and the price will change obviously per contract that you go up. And then minimum days traded until uncapped earnings. You can go from 5 all the way up to 12, and the higher obviously is going to bring the price down because it's making you trade more days, but you can have it as little as 5 days. So, and once you kind of pick everything that you want, you just hit add to cart and you're good to go. And then obviously you would change this to code VALA just to be safe. And let's just say, so I can't even tell you what the price of an account would be. I mean, here, I can tell you what the cheapest would be. So the cheapest you could get one for is $89. And then after the assessment, it would be $49. So you're looking at a total of, what is that? 130 or no, 90 and 50. So 140. So it's a total of 140. But the thing is, they know they're a little bit more expensive, but they know what they have. Like they have this, state of the art per se, like way to kind of choose your account. They also have, like I said, it comes with a journaling. I wish I could show you, but I mean, it has, I can't really show you because I don't have any trades in here to show you, but when you jump into a trade, I should just show you, their video about, how they do everything. You know what? Let me see if I can find it real quick. It got pushed. You need to refresh to see if it fixed. All right, let's see if this part fixed real quick. Nope, still doing it. Or well, maybe this will show it. That was really loud for me. Yeah, so I mean, well, let me just see if he goes into it. So here's here's the plan builder,
Still edit
which we already
the
did.
calendar.
But I want to show you what it does when it actually like
Yeah.
takes a trade.
Here we go. We
All
go
right.
right into the platform.
So that's the thing. It uses basically TradingView, which is really nice. I mean, I've always liked TradingView. But so when you take a trade, it instantly will pop up on the left side. Watch, he's about to. So he just got in, and it pops your
As you
trade
can
up in
see,
real
the
time.
trade has appeared
And while you're in the
right here
trade,
on the
you can
left
actually like
on the
you
trade
can
desk
tag it.
section.
You can write. You can start journaling
Window
about it, like
close,
why
give me
you
for a
took the
second.
trade. Like you
We
can.
have access
It
to all
literally
information
live
here.
updates it in their
can
calendar
monitor the news.
as well. Like it literally
Flip it back
does
on.
all that. It's really
And
cool.
let's create a
And then
stop loss
you'll have
condition.
access to the Discord
So I wanna risk
where they have like their own coaches
that
like
amount.
that you can talk to. Like
And let's create a
it's
profit
really
for
cool. It is really cool. And I'm not pushing this as an affiliate. I'm just saying like as a trader, I'm actually genuinely excited to give them a shot. But I'll let you guys do, like I said, you should always do your own research anyway. But it does look, it looks promising. You prefer Tradeify? Yeah, a lot of people do. He said they're working on getting Tradeify, but since they are still newer, they have to go through the process. Obviously take that with a grain of salt. I mean, we've heard other props say that they're going to get Tradeify, but so Josh actually popped in and said it might be because of my dark mode. Let's see. I just turned it on. There it is. Okay, that was the case. All right, so that was on me. It wasn't on them. I run, you guys know me. I run this guy right here. I have dark, it's called Dark Reader. It's because a lot of websites use white and I can't stand white. So when I had this on like this, if I hit refresh again, that's what was doing it. But if I turn it off, it actually looks better because it's black. It actually kind of turns it gray, but their black looks way better. Look at that. Nice. All right, so that was on me. That wasn't on them. So yeah, so I'll go through it one more time real quick. End of day static, like you can see see the price changing as you click. Same with this. Get the choose your max loss, which also correlates with your daily max loss. Your starting contracts, and then your min trays and min days traded until uncapped earning. And then it'll literally, as you're doing this stuff, it'll also calculate your the milestones. So like if you have your max loss and your set and say it's end of day, it'll give you what your assessment goal is to pass the eval, and then it'll tell you like what your targets are and also what your brokerage starting balance would be. And then, I mean, obviously you can read through all this yourself. When you do get payouts, you do get the K1 tax forms after the first 10K, and their profit split is 75-25. But the K1 tax forms, that's a good thing. That's actually really good for, like, when you're claiming that. The K1 tax forms is a good thing. It's almost like a tax break in a way. If you haven't, I'm not going to get into the taxes, but you should look it up if you don't know what it is. But yeah, as you can see, it's all good here. And then let's see what happens if I hit this. All right, so with the Vala, you can see it took some off. I don't know how much it took off exactly. Let's just get rid of it first. Oh, and that's the other thing. They do have 31-day renewals. So if you are getting close, but you haven't passed yet, you don't have to pay the full amount. You just pay the $29 and it'll renew for another 31 days. Does that make sense? So like that's actually really cool. So like on my funded futures right now, you pay the $76 with code VALA, but then if you have to go another month, you would pay $76 again. Where here you would pay, let's just make it the cheapest it can be real quick, just so you can see. You would pay, let's put code VALA. You'd pay $89 up front, but then if you need to go another month, you would just pay $30. You wouldn't pay $89 again. Or even if it's the most expensive, if you were to pay $349, if you had to go another month, you would just pay $29. It's always $29 for a 31-day renewal. Do you pay monthly fees after you're funded? No. It's just the after assessment, and then that's it. Yeah, Josh is really going out of his way to try to make this about the traders, and the slow and steady approach is definitely what they're looking for. I'm coming, Zishan. Sorry. I need your email. You didn't send me your email. Although I probably have it somewhere if I just scroll up, but... All right, let me multitask a little bit here. Let me go back to the chart. Excuse me. All right, Zishan, sent. If I did send it to you, I will let you know. I'm catching up with you guys right now. It looks like after I send these out, I'm gonna have 8 left. So if you would like an invite, shoot me your email in Discord. Alrighty. Let's see if we can find a trade. We're kind of right back to where we were. Oh, we did break above that 15-minute. You know what? Let's just jump in. Just put our stop right underneath there. I don't know if I should have waited for the break of this, but on the 15-minute chart, what I was looking at is we broke the previous candle. So we broke the candle that came down and moved back up. That was the candle I was looking at. We did break that candle. Unfortunately, we're getting stuffed in our face. How'd it go? That would be good. Okay. Well, that sucked. She thinks I'm talking. Not multitasking, your task switching? I mean, yeah, it's true. I want back in. This is a trade I would normally take just because of a big candle down. Well, not normally take because we're not at highs or lows, but these are, I'm only doing 2 micros at a time here, and these are some big candles. Let's do 6 here. See if we can't get a reversal. See if we can't ride 2 out if we get this. Push back up. I just realized too, I thought that was total, 176 total that I was down, but that's not including the 300 or whatever I'm up from the opening trade. So technically, not using this trade, we're still green on the day, but Jesus, just gonna go straight back down to the lows. That's crazy. Excuse me. Looks like a W. Yeah, it kind of does. All right, see if we can't get a move back up here. All right. And we're obviously going to put a stop in here. This is not a stop that I'm looking forward to. Holy smokes. Got to give it till a low a day, right? That's going to pretty much almost put us at our max loss again. All right, I got 8 invites left for anyone interested. I'm actually going to see what happens if I try to grab an account after we take this stop loss. The inevitable stop loss. Look at this move. Of course I'm like not paying attention, and then I'm like, oh yeah, let me get into a trade. And then right after I go long, it's just like pew. Yeah, fuck off. I don't know. I don't even know what to say about that. I did say what time? I said 10:20. All right, let's play marbles real quick, and then we'll continue. Actually, this is kind of my normal trade. Oh, all right. Apparently I hit the daily max loss, but I thought I had more because of the... Maybe it wasn't... I was up more on the NQ side of it, though. Whatever, it's not even letting me take a trade. It's okay. Alright, let's play marbles. We'll figure that out afterwards. Whoa, what is going on there? Hopefully, if Aya is here, she didn't fall for that trap, because I feel like that was kind of where Aya would have got long as well. Her stop loss was probably better than mine, and she probably did. Well, I took the right stop loss. I just then got back in like an idiot. Should have never got back in there. That was just me assuming we'd bounce. Never assume. That's why I try to react to trades and not assume. And yet here I am, looking like the fool. Futures are hard, man. Futures like to fake you out. That is for sure. All right, closing it up. All right, let's see. Why is my marble screen not up? we go. I must have clicked that by accident. I don't know what was going on there. All right, here we go. All right, 114. Sorry, I'm a little sidetracked. I am trying to multitask and I'm not doing a good job at it. All right, 114. Here we go. For the 150K Tradeify straight to funded accounts. Let's get it in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Who is that trader? The first one. Again, if you would like a invite to the Futures Desk, I have 8 invites left. 8 invites left. All you need to do is find me on Discord, DM me your email address. I will shoot them over to you. I got 8 of them left. You want one? It's all yours. You just gotta find me in Discord. Pew pew, everyone's pew pewing. Upper crust, last one. Pew pew. Says Alex is in first. He is making his way down the worm. All right, guys, we might have got a little bit lucky. Let's get everyone ready for the laser show here. Let me log into something real quick, and I might have some good news. Bangers, it's an invite to a new firm. They're doing invite only because they don't want some crazy growth. They're not looking for the influx. They're not looking for the big, quick cash grab, basically. So they're doing everything invite only. Come on, Codebala! I want to have a I don't think I've ever had a chance at the end of this map. But it's a new futures prop firm. It's called the Futures Desk. Oh no, of course. And but it's invite only. So if you would like an invite to check it out, you should go to their YouTube page and see if it's something you would like as well. We were talking about it earlier. You could scroll back in the live stream to see if you like it. F1 Racing, way out ahead. But you made it through the lasers, but it's not lined up. Lasers, it's kind of lined up. Let's go. Let's go. Get it all! No! That was close. Here we go. Got some more coming. They're not lined up, though. That was close. The spin towards the hole was there. No! I hate when you run into each other. You were the last two. Dang it. Yes, the Futures Desk. I will be supporting the Futures Desk. They look like they're going to be doing things the right way. Specifically since it's invite only. So, I mean, the fact that they're invite only, it can only mean one thing in my eyes. That they're taking it the right way. If a company was trying to, you know, make as much money as they can as quickly as possible, they would be allowing everyone to sign up, right? They are not. Guys, let's effing go. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. Let's go Tradeify for doing the right thing. Actually, it was a bit lucky. I was in a losing trade. But there was 2 of my entries that were a little weird that I wouldn't have normally taken. But I clicked the button twice because it was delayed. And so I ended up with more size. I'm pretty sure I still would have ended up losing in that trade because of the way that it... I wonder if it's still there. Where... I don't even remember. Did we start it up? Was it here? No, it was here. Yeah, we started that trade like here. Yeah, it was here. We started it here on this move down. And the first time I hit the add button, it didn't give me the fill where I thought it was. So I had clicked it again and it ended up putting me in an extra 2 contracts. So I should have only had 4 contracts, but I ended up with 6. And then if you remember when I was live, I ended up clicking the button and it didn't fill me right away. And so I clicked it again and it filled that one right away, but then also filled the other one like right behind it. So I ended up with 10 contracts where I should have only had 6 total, but it still did go lower. I don't know if I would have been able to hang on because I definitely would have been adding again here if I hadn't already. I don't know. I don't know how it would have played out. And I guess that's why they have to reset it in a sense, because they don't know if the trade would have worked or not. But they did. They reset it. They reset it. We're back to only 200 away from passing this account. Let's go. Let's go. That's some good news. All right, let me talk with Josh here. Just trying to figure it. Let's see if I hit add to cart again. All right, I am going to get the second barrier up and running. Or wait, was this the second? No, this was the third race. All right, I'm gonna do that. So we'll have the left up. Siren, what's going on? The Discord link, shoot it to you. It is down below in the comments or description, but I'll post it here in the chat too. Ah, I posted it twice. There's the Discord link. I have 8 invites left if anybody wants for the futures desk. If you are interested, just find me in Discord. I will shoot you the invite. All I need is your email address. How do you put your previous trades, enter exit markers on your Quantower charts? You right click. Let me show you options. So you're going to right click on your chart and hit settings. And when you have the settings up, you're going to go to where it says visual trading. Click on visual trading, and then you have positions, orders, and trades. On all 3 of them, you can choose whether you want to see them or not. Up here, it says show positions. The slider by default is unchecked. So if you want your positions on the screen, you hit there. Orders, same thing. And trades, same thing. And there you go. The Futures Desk is a new prop firm. They've been in beta. I wasn't able to talk about it until they were publicly announcing all this stuff. But they've been in beta for a while now. I want to say like 2-3 months. And I've been one of the lucky beta testers, and I've gotten to know Josh quite a bit, and it's legit and it's really cool. Here, let me show you. I'll pop back up real quick. Let me show you. Let me hit refresh to go back. So the gist of it, they have their own platform. They're working on getting Tradeify. They will also have Rhythmic, but right now they're focused on their own platform, which is like Top Step X. But here is the key difference between them. You get to actually choose your accounts. I'm just going to roll through this because I already did this earlier, but you get to choose whether you want it to be end of day or a static account. And every time you do that, it's going to change the price of the account, which you can see down here. So if I choose static, it goes up because you're getting a static account. End of day, it goes down. You can choose your max loss anywhere from $1,000 max loss all the way up to $3,000 max loss. That's also going to attribute to your soft daily loss or your max daily loss. As you can see, that's moving. But as you can see, it changes the price as you do that. So I'm just going to keep everything at the cheapest. You can go anywhere from 1 mini / 10 micros up to 12 minis / 120 micros, depending on your trading style. Some people only need 1, and some people might think they need 12. We'll keep that down there. And then you have the min trade days until uncapped earning. You can go anywhere from 5 to 12. So obviously the more days required to trade is going to make it cheaper because you have to trade more days and therefore making it a little bit harder to do. But as you can see with code VALA, their account right now is live accounts. If you use code VALA, you will get an extra discount there. So always do that. And then I'm trying to think, oh, as you're changing these as well, you'll see the assessment goal. It's not going to change on that one, but it's actually just this one. So you'll see the assessment goal, the sim brokerage target, and the brokerage starting balance. You'll see that change as you're sliding everything as well. And then the other thing is after assessment, you have the one-time fee. And the big thing is you would pay this $89 up front. If you go a month and you are still not finished the assessment, like most firms, you'd have to pay this $89 again to continue the same account. They have a 31-day renewal that is $30. Well, it's $29 regardless of what size account you have. So I could scroll these all the way up and you can see it costs more, but the 31-day renewal is the same. So if you like to go as slow as possible, you get that for every account. You get a 31-day renewal for $29 to continue that account and not have to pay like that full price again, which is pretty cool. And if you have any other questions, feel free to ask. But they are doing invite only as well. And as you can see, I have invites over here. I started with 22. I have 8 left. So if you are interested in that, find me in Discord, shoot me your email, and we will get that taken care of. But once I run out, I'm out for now. I don't know if they will be giving us more. And I'll have to check into that. I think my mom is making toast. I feel like I smell toast. All right, I now have 7 invites left. All right, let me see one thing. We'll do the next race at 10:55. 10:55, exclamation point marbles, get them in. And for anyone that was here, the payout structure, you know, I really haven't dove too deep into the rules, but let me see if I can find it for you real quick. I'm more of a, when someone asks me a question, I go look it up because I like to keep my mind fresh anyway. Let's see. I like how on their thing it says, ask us, a human. That's kind of funny. Let's see. Funding. I remember reading it, and I know they have it in their videos. That's why I was saying if you want to check out their YouTube page, they've been doing a pretty good job. Also, here I will post. I'm going to post this one time, so get ready. If you guys want, oh, never mind, I can't. I'm missing permissions. I can't invite you guys. I thought I could, but I can't. Excuse me. All right, I have six invites left. You just messaged me on Discord. Here, I'll post my Discord. Which if you guys aren't in there anyway, you should be. We have a lot of fun talking in there after the stream's over. There's my Discord link. Find me in there. Send me an email. Not send me an email. Send me a DM with your email account. And it'll get you invited. Now this invite, it's not giving you anything except it will give you the code VALA discount. whenever you do sign up for an account, if you sign up for an account, but it gives you access to the platform to even sign up. Like this is invite only. So only people that are invited by the affiliates or by them themselves are going to be able to access the accounts to even buy one. It's not like you can go to their website and just buy an account. Like they're doing strictly invite only because their goal is to grow at a pace that they can withstand. Knowing that their long-term game is to build an arsenal of live traders. So they're hoping by doing invite only that they can focus on the traders that they have at hand. And that's why I was saying they have coaches and everything in the Discord. And I believe you're going to be able to contact them via their dashboard so that you can focus on becoming a better trader, because they want you to be a better trader so that they can put you on a live account so that everyone can make money. Like that's their goal. They're trying to be a real prop firm is how this is being set up. Like think of going to a prop firm that is for real and applying. Like by you getting invited and going through these assessments and getting paid, that is essentially your application. I mean, granted, that's how it should be for all prop firms, but as we know, all these other prop firms, the bad ones anyway, not the good ones, but the bad ones, they're out, you know, just looking for people to sign up to fail, right? Where it really feels like the futures desk is trying to make everyone succeed, because the more people they can put live, the more people they can do a profit split with, and the more money they make, you know? It does make sense when you really think about the prop model as a whole, if you're doing it correctly. Now, do I think Tradeify, My Fund of Futures, and places like that are doing the same thing? Yes, but they have taken the more traditional approach. And that's the thing about Futures Desk that makes this kind of interesting, is they're taking a whole new approach to this. They're allowing you to pick your account based on what you think you would be best at, which I think that's awesome. What you're willing to spend, what you think you're best at, like you get to choose all of that. It's not just like, here's our price, you pay it or you don't kind of thing. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I'm trying to see if I can sign up for one real quick, but I keep talking to you guys, which is fine. Excuse me. Man, this cough. All right, just to show you guys, I just grabbed an account. I had to put in my personal information in the last screen, so I didn't want to pull it up. But it kind of like popped up, gave me some fireworks. I just want to show you guys. It's like a first hands-on kind of thing. How many accounts can you buy? That's actually a really good question. Let me... Maybe let me hit refresh. Maybe that's why. When I was doing this, you know, let me try pulling up their this guy. It's still not showing. I did a $2,500 max loss, because that's kind of what I've been using, because it brought me to that $1,000 daily loss. I did 3 minis I actually did 3 minis, 35 micros. I didn't even see. You could actually go in between there. So there's like a midway point. So you can add 5 micros. I did 35. I didn't know that. Does it change? 250. It does. So I actually paid an extra $10 there. And then I just did 12 because you know me. I like to go low and slow. All right. Well, maybe let me shoot him a message and see. It said I subscribed, but I don't want to give out any personal info here. Give me a sec. All right. Let me look this up real quick as well for you, because I'm actually curious myself. Excuse me. All right, here's the payout rules. So I'm just gonna read this off. Once you have reached your buffer goal in the sim brokerage or in your live brokerage account, you will be able to request daily payouts. And there are two types of payouts at this point. If you request a payout from your buffer amount, the profit split will be 50-50. If you request a payout from any amount above your buffer amount, the profit split will be 75-25. We operate primarily as an online prop trading firm. Our profit splits are more generous compared to traditional physical prop firms, where traders typically receive only 40 to 40% of the profits. In addition, we place you in a real live brokerage account, making our risk higher than usual. We have lower commissions than most. The 75-25 split is also negotiable depending on your trading status. If you would like to negotiate this, reach out to our support staff and we'll schedule a performance overview coaching call with our staff. Once you reach 10,000 in your brokerage account, you will be able to offer you a K1 tax benefit. This can be used retroactively as well, meaning that once you reach 10,000 in your account, the K1 tax benefits will apply to the entire payout, not just the amount above the 10K. So that is talking, I believe, about... So basically, they're saying once you pass your assessment, they're putting you into a real account. There's no such... I totally forgot that he had mentioned this prior. But now that I'm reading it, I'm like, oh yeah, I totally forgot about that. Yeah, so the buffer goal as well, once you reach the buffer goal on the sim brokerage account, you will then be processed over to the live brokerage account. So there you go. And then, so that means, pretty sure that just means, I was gonna say, it should just mean one account. Each user can have a maximum of 2. So there it is. I remember him saying that, but I didn't want to not say it correctly. But I was gonna say that would make me think you can only have 1. It says you can have a maximum of 2 active accounts. As you continue to trade with us, you may be eligible for an account limit increase. Please reach out to our coaches for more information on whether you qualify for this upgrade. Please refrain from creating additional usernames to bypass this rule. Each person is only allowed 1 username. If we discover that you have created additional usernames or bypass our account limit, we will be forced to take action on your accounts. This could include account cancellation, user banning, or other actions deemed necessary by management. The professional fees like Top Step? That's actually a good question as well. Yes, professional fees, but they cover the costs of one exchange for you. Did you already read into that? Making melodies? That's a good question as well. Hey, we're making that move back up. I'm going to keep reading into the frequently asked questions. I will get back to you for that. You've been in beta with them? Nice. It's a lot. It's a lot to deal with multiple props all at once. I will say that. All right, I now have 4 invites left. Just sent out 2 more. I wonder if I have 2 accounts, can I have 2 different exchanges covered? That's a good question too. Is Tradeify the best direct funded firm at the moment? I believe so. I personally do believe they are, as far as price, the rules, just their payouts. I mean, they do currently still have payout windows, but their payout windows, you apply for the payout if everything goes well. I mean, you're paid inside of a day, like within like 24 hours. They have been very good with payouts. Have I heard any Black Friday sales for next week? Nope, not yet. I really do think that Apex is gonna have one. I know TickTick as well is a good company. They never had straight to funded, but they do now. So I think that'll be good for the pricing of all of this. Like all the firms, it'll help keep prices at bay. So, guys, real quick, I have somebody that's going to stop by from the futures desk. So if you want to ask these questions, feel free when they get here. So re-ask your questions. I'm actually going to close up marbles here. So no more marbles entries while he's in here. We'll run the race at 11, or maybe at 11. We'll see how this goes. Pure clean. I'll see if you were in there. I'm actually going to set it up to run the race, but we're going to give it a sec. But I'll see if you were in there. Excuse me. Let me see. Pure clean, pure clean. I'm going to scroll up to, yeah, you were in there. All right, so if anybody does have any questions for the futures desk, feel free to chime in. I'm going to scroll up in the chat real quick, and I'm going to actually shoot the ones that have been asked. The same selling pitch, doing it for the traders. Yeah, FTT was a little different, though. I mean, they were allowing you to have 40 accounts. I feel like it's a little different. Can you have an LLC in the new firm? That's a good question as well. Let's see. Some of the questions were, do you have to pay professional fees like Top Step? So like when you go into the live brokerage account, are you paying professional fees? Making Melodies had jumped in saying that you would, but that they cover the cost of one exchange for you. One of the other questions, what was the other good question? We answered the how many accounts you can buy. Did somebody delete the other question? Oh, the payout structure. We kind of answered that. Could have swore there was another good question. I guess that was the two that were. I wonder if I have 2 accounts, can I have 2 different exchanges covered? And then the professional fees. how many accounts, the payout structure. Yeah, I guess I was doing a pretty good job at answering them. Any banned countries, that's a good one as well. While I do have, I believe, I don't have to name names. I do have 3 invites left. For anyone else that wants to get in, I have 3 left. All you gotta do is join the Discord, find me, DM me, and I just need your email address. As far as the rules go, I'm pretty sure you're gonna find that there's really not many rules. I don't remember seeing, I think that was one of Josh's selling points. All right, the Discord has the full list of banned countries. I can get that for you guys. I just have to find them. And I'm sorry for coughing. I feel like everyone's so used to it at this point. By the way, I don't know if that is Josh or Brian, but I was trying to invite people to the Discord and it was not allowing me to. It said I lacked permissions. Yeah, I was explaining that to them about the goal is to get everyone to a live account, unlike the other companies. All right, I will shoot the here. I'll just post it. So anyone, yeah, I'm gonna throw the link here in the chat. That should be the link to get into the Futures S Discord. Well, Albert, you're only allowed to have 2 accounts, so I'm gonna go with the answer of 2 there. It worked? All right, good. Yeah, when I tried to do it myself, it was telling me that I lacked the permissions. But Brian shot me that link, so that one should work. Crawford, sure. Yeah, go for it. Shoot me an email to the volatilitytrading27@gmail.com. I'll open that up right now. I find it funny every time I go into this email address, I see Forex people trying to get me to work with them. It's pretty funny. Please promote our Forex prop firm. No. Yeah, guys, if you have any questions, get them in while Brian's here about the futures desk, and throw them all out. I actually thought I was doing a worse job of answering these questions, but I actually I did answer quite a few of them. I thought I couldn't answer, but I feel like there was just so many at once. I feel like I was getting a little overwhelmed. Inside their Discord, they do have like frequently asked questions. They're also on the website as well, so you could go there. Caesar J asks, is this a sustainable model? What if too many people blow up accounts on live? It is true. I mean, that is a risk you take with, like, say everyone gets live with, say the luck was that a lot of people that bought these accounts, say for 200 bucks, and then everyone made it to the live account, and then they all blew up. Like, I mean, that is a risk that they would have to take. But I guess that's kind of part of the risk of opening up like this. Is that Brian Stunk? No. All right. If Crawford sends me this email, that leaves me with one. Yep, there it is. Actually, that leaves me with one invite left. So whoever is the next person to find me in Discord and shoot me their email is gonna be the one that gets it. Is there a consistency rule? I don't believe there is. I don't remember. I don't remember hearing about a consistency rule. I feel like the whole point was that it's going to be like a live account. So I mean, let me see. I'm looking. Can I trade multiple accounts? Because I know they have the daily loss limit. And they put it in the way that you would be able to hit it twice and still have an account. Like that was part of the way that they set it up. If NinjaTrader and Tradeify isn't supported in my country, can I still use Tradeify? They use things other Tradeify. They don't have Rhythmic. I'm trying to think. Do they use... What other platforms do they use? I know it's not just... Is it Trading View? No, we're going to play marbles. I just wanted everyone to get their questions out about the Futures Desk first. So the Futures Desk is direct funded almost, basically. Yeah. You're basically, you're doing an eval, but if you pass the eval, you're going straight to a live account. Can you use NinjaTrader or Quantower? You can't use Quantower with Tradeify, not yet, but they are working on getting DX feed up and running. Can we use Quantower with the new firm? You will be able to once they get Rhythmic up and running, but right now they only have their software, TFDX, which I'm gonna tell you, it's just like trading. They're using TradingView charts in TFDX, and once you start using it, you're gonna like it. It's actually really cool. It's its own separate thing, like TopStepX. I'm assuming I haven't ever used TopStepX, but from what I've seen, it's similar. Yeah, so there you go. Brian says, we align ourselves with our traders after a successful assessment in our simulated environment. Traders transition to real brokerage accounts. This unique model differs from other firms. Our maximum loss per trader is limited to the cost of the funding of their account, unlike companies that bet against traders, potentially facing significant revenue losses from a single trader. Which is kind of crazy when you think about it. If other companies are actually doing that, it's pretty crazy. So yeah, so they have trading. I'm back to Tradeify real quick. They have NinjaTrader, TradingView, and Tradeivate. So if you can use TradingView, you should be good with Tradeify. All right, Crawford, did I send you that invite? I did. Okay. Yeah, I saw that I sent it. I just was making sure. Does anybody have any other questions about the futures desk for Brian? Did we miss any questions? I don't think we did. Man, oh man. How long before they have Rhythmic? It's a good question. This company's founders bring their expertise from other successful firms that employed a similar approach. Yeah, which was Blue I call him Blue Ski, but it was Blue Sky. I think everyone kind of knows that at this point. All right, we'll run marbles real quick. We'll give Brian a taste of what marbles is like while you guys are still asking questions. But Brian, that's a good question. Do you guys have a timeline on when Rhythmic will be coming? All right, we got 121. All right, this is for the 150K Tradeify, straight to funded account. All you gotta do is beat the track. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Greek man. First one down. There's more and more reports of mass payout denials by Apex. Do you think they will ever change? I'm hearing that a lot of the mass payout denials is from this new 30% drawdown rule that they have implemented. And I think it just caught a lot of people off guard because they didn't even know it existed. So I don't know what they're going to do about that, but I guess we'll find out. I have no idea. Oh, we'll run this back. I totally forgot to add the wall. I got so focused on everything else. Please don't do Rhythmic and just get DX feed. Can I open an account using another family member but trade for them? You already know the answer to this. Your better question would be, can a family member in the same household also have an account? That would be a better question. While we have our Rhythmic account established, the automatic journaling and trade importing process is currently 70% complete. We anticipate full Rhythmic integration within the next few weeks. So there you go. So it's not that they don't have access to Rhythmic, it's that they don't have it completely integrated with their system. Zolfer, first one into the laser show. Yeah, like I said, guys, when you guys saw the video I was showing earlier, when you get into a trade inside the platform, it's just really cool how it all works. Like the way that it just everything like loads live, it's really cool. I'm very excited to use it. Can I ask a dumb question and not sound like a schemer or scammer? I mean, sure, go for it. I would say there's no such thing as dumb questions, but you guys make it hard for me to say that every once in a while. Well, look, Code Follows in there. Let's go. Oh, it's lining up. It's lining up. Oh, that's not good. I'm gonna switch back to the chart after this one. I'm gonna go add the So close. Get out of the way. Oh, we got a shot. No. All right. I'm going to go back to the chart real quick. Do not type in anything. What's Tim's kickback? I can tell you. I don't even remember what it was. But you guys know I don't hide that. How much? They're not paying me nothing. If I get paid anything, it's from you guys signing up. Just like all the other places. Can I use fake info and trade multiple accounts? Come on. I wish Bulenox would offer the discount on the EOD accounts. They do. It's just they never do 90%. Like I think right now they have 83% off on the end of day accounts. That's a good question, Brian. Do you have access to the TradingView indicator catalog? 84. Yeah, you're right. It's 84 because they went up 1%. Which I think I have it set at, if you are looking to see what the price is, it's Vala 84. We'll show you the price on the end of day. VOLA 84. Vala 84 for the Bulenox. All right, let me go change the map real quick so we can run that back because that was my fault. And again, I have one invite left to the futures desk. You want it? Find me in Discord. Shoot me your email address. The next email address I see in Discord is the one that gets it. TFDX has built-in indicators. There you go. Have you ever considered starting your own prop firm? No, I don't have the resources for that. I would gladly be the face of a prop firm if I agreed with everything that they're doing and I got, you know, to put my hand in it, but I would never know how to do everything. It's just, yeah, just wouldn't work. I'm not ashamed to admit that I'm not that guy. You're not that guy, pal. You're not that guy. You know what? I'm gonna add one. Yeah, let me just delete these. Just re-add them. We are just choppy chop sideways now. Just Google Ponzi scheme and you'll know how to run a prop firm. Not all of them. That's what we're saying. Which page on Discord? It's my Discord, Matt Rad. I'll post the link. Here's the link. Did you ever get a DM from? Nope, have not. Zishan's giving out free gas cards. I like it. Kind of like that one guy that interviewed you is the face of My Funded Futures. Yes, exactly. That is what I'm talking about. Like I would do that more so than actually know how to run it. Because I don't know how, nor would ever claim to. I'm not smart enough. But I would also want to know everything that's going on because I'm not going to be the face of something that I don't fully believe in. But yes, just like Forrest is doing for My Funded Futures, that is what I'm talking about. All right, let's run this marbles race back now that I fixed it. And then we'll open it back up. So Vesh would be Biden, the face of America with no clue. Come on. Owning a prop firm is stressful. People see you as having their money and profits, and then they mess up. They look to blame the prop. Yeah, exactly. Just promise not to buy Lambos with people's eval account purchases. No, I have no want for that stuff in life. If anything, I would just use your money to travel. Nah, obviously I wouldn't do that either. You guys know me at this point. That's just not who I am. All right, here we go. The new and updated track. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, what happened?
Oh, you gotta give him that huck and spit on that
Oh,
thing.
Steve, you're the one doing it. Why is it doing that? One of the commands is making it do that. Oh, it's the you got me. Oh no, what did I do? Excuse me. Here, we're just gonna watch. Whoa, there we go. There's the new wall. Whoa, GDT. Oh, guys, you can still shoot over it. Come on, chill out. You can still shoot over it. You can't go that high. But it is saving the majority of you, which is the idea. All right, let me fix this real quick. This, okay, that's supposed to be marbles, but this is supposed to be this. All right, did I do that wrong on all of these? No. No. Okay, we should be good now. It was the new You've Got Mail. I had it screwed up. All right. Into the laser show. Brian, if you're still here, thank you for stopping in. I appreciate you coming in to answer their questions. This cough, man. All right, we have a lot more people still alive. Let's go. What's the futures desk? I missed it. It's a new prop firm. I'm gonna link you guys to their YouTube page if you want to watch some of their videos to kind of get an idea of how everything's going. No one can even. Come on, Steve. Oh, that's good. That might actually. Nope. Veered. Oh, look at all these. Definitely got a lot more people making it. Now it's just a matter of catching these the right way. We're gonna have to flatten them out. We're gonna have to start flattening them out. Oh, that's gonna be close. Donald, get in there! Oh, no! No! You were in the hole. No! Oh, Donald, no! You were there. There's so many ways to not win this map. It's crazy. Exclamation point marbles. Get them in. Oh, man. That was so close. Man, this coughing. I just cannot wait until it's gone. Now we're literally Saturday. It'll be 3 weeks. Ridiculous. All right, let me catch up on everything else. All right, I still have one invite left to the futures desk if you're interested. Let me get their That was the other. Let me get their YouTube page for you guys. All right, I'm posting it in the chat. There is their YouTube page. If you want to find it yourself, the Futures Desk, it's pretty easy to find. But if you go to videos, you'll see all the videos that they've posted. They have the teaser, and then they have everything up until then. This video here, the 20-minute video and the almost 13-minute video, those are the ones that will give you a great idea of what it's all about. And it's invite only. I have one left right now, and when those are gone, I don't know when I'm gonna get more. So if you would like to be one of the first ones in there, all you need to do is find me on Discord and shoot me your email address. I got one left. And no, that's not a haha, I only have one left, but it's actually I have 1,000 left. I literally only have one left. You know, I will say I haven't actually had to spit up phlegm today, all the coughing. I feel like I have one there now, but how much are the accounts? Spoon feed me the info. The cheapest account you can get, here, let's go. We'll see. I'll do this one last time today. This is the last time I'm going to do it because it's almost time to get out of here anyway. But so they're working on Rhythmic. Tradeify will be in the future, but they have their own platform. Everything is integrated. You get coaching, you get free journaling, you get trading view charts, you get all their indicators on those charts. And the cool thing about the Futures Desk is that you get to choose your account. You get to make your account essentially. So you can choose end of day or static. End of day is cheaper, obviously, because static, you just get to keep it there. You get to go anywhere from $1,000 max loss all the way up to 3,000, which then increases your max daily loss as well. From 1,000 max loss is 400 daily loss. 3,000 is 1,200 daily loss. So you get to choose that. We'll keep it at the cheapest. You can go anywhere from 1 mini / 10 micros up to 12 minis / 120 micros. And there's actually an in between too. So like if you want 1 mini, but you use micros and you want 15 micros, you can do that. You want 25 micros, 35 micros, you can literally do it. And it's you can see it's changing your price down here at the bottom. Minimum trade days until uncapped earning. It can go anywhere from 5 to 12. So your daily P&L on these would have to be 350. Or it says the daily P&L over 350 is added to profit target. But 350 is what you'd be shooting for to do it in 5 days. With 12 days, it's 150. And there you go. So 0 minimum days to pay out, no min max P&L when you're funded, right? So when you get funded, obviously that all bets are off. So this is the cheapest account you can get. When you use code VALA, it goes from $99 down to $89. So you get that extra like 10% off. The assessment goal, as you're changing these as well, up here, you'll see that the assessment goal, the sim brokerage target, and then the brokerage starting balance. So when you go live, that is the amount that you would get. And that's it. So you get to choose. So cheapest, 89. Most expensive, 600, 599. And there you go. And it does have an after assessment fee. So when you pass, you pay the after assessment fee. It's a one-time fee, and they do have 31-day renewals. So if you are close to passing your the eval stage, but you're not quite there, instead of having to pay this $89 again, you just pay $29. And that's for even if you have the most expensive account. 600, it's still just $29. So no matter what. I miss the days of $15 Apex accounts. They're still there. You can pay all up front or add it to the back end. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know you could do that. So you could do that as well. And that's pretty much it. If you have any other questions, you can go to, they have their help center, which everything's in there. I've been kind of reading through it this morning while we've been doing everything else. can end this poll, by the way. Oh, the slider. Isn't it? Let me go back. Oh, that's right. I forgot about that. I remember Josh showed me this. So yeah, there's a slider here that when you have everything set up. So if you want to pay all of it up front with no assessment fee, you can do that with the slider. Or if you want to pay less, let me get the code VALA in there. You can't forget code VALA. There's sliders everywhere, guys. So you could pay 89 up front and then 50 after you pass, or you could pay less up front. So it would be 110 total instead of 140 total. Does that make sense? So you'd save $30 by paying it all up front. So the cheapest you can actually get it overall is 109. But again, they know they're a little bit more expensive than some of the other places, but you're getting access to everything that they offer. You're getting access to pretty much everything. It's like the coaching, the platform, the journaling, the indicators that they provide, just all of it. It's pretty cool. Once I get mine going, I'll show you guys on a daily basis. I just have to get it set up. Scaling in live accounts as well. I'm assuming that's still Brian. But yeah, it's really cool. I've never seen anything like it. I'm very excited to use it myself. And obviously you guys can live precariously through me. Oh, it looks like we might have our last email address. We do. I know who it is too. All right, I am out of invites. If you got your, if you gave me your email address, they should be there, except for yours. The last one that I just sent. I don't want to give out names because I just like to keep things private if I can. But you should have them within the next couple minutes. I know some people said it was taking a couple minutes, but they will get there. All right, I think I might be all caught up. I am going to blow my nose. Brian, do you have level 2 data and order flow volume indicators with the platform? That's a good question. Make sure I didn't miss anything. We will provide level 2 data upon request for free. That's nice. What about order flow stuff? Order flow volume. You guys had the same question. Mac or PC? That's a good question too. A lot of places don't offer Mac. I'm going to assume it's probably the same. Works on PC and Mac. Let's go. So there you go. By the way, I've noticed that like if you sign in via their website as well as their downloadable platform, it's the same thing. It's just it kind of makes it it's just its own executable file. Linux too? Damn, let's go. I know Josh is I don't know about Brian's background, but I know Josh is big into building things from scratch, so I'm not surprised that those two things are being offered. $11.45. You had me at Linux. Brago even almost typed correctly for that. We did go green again on the day, which is kind of crazy considering that crazy down move we had. It's so funny how the market moves sometimes. Excuse me. Ugh. Just want this to go away. Seriously can't believe I've been sick for this long. I'm not even sick. I felt fine like 2 weeks ago at this point, but the cough won't go away. It's just ridiculous. Pneumonia? Yeah, so supposedly I had the walking pneumonia. But it's just crazy because I was only like actually sick for like 2 days, but the cough is just crazy. And it is like I can feel the cough coming from like my lungs. It's ugh. It's very annoying. Just get out of here. Somebody save me. I have over a decade of experience as an investigator, though I am now retired. I've been actively trading for the last 5 years, just for context. Investigator. Don't get on Brian's bad side. He'll be able to keep all the scammers out. That's true. He said he has a very particular set of skills. Skills that he has acquired over a very long career. Skills that makes him a nightmare for people like you. I've seen that movie a couple times. Bonds, algos, and DCL all welcome. Anything the CME allows, we allow. It'll be interesting to see if you have people try. The thing is, you can take advantage of, like, the thing that they were doing with the bonds. You could take advantage of that in a simulated market, but you can't do it in a live account. You just can't, because you're actually trading the actual market. A lot of people don't understand that. My mom just sent me a picture of my dog. She's let me keep that part of it. she like always lays in this most awkward position. It's funny. We spoke with them and invited them to trade with us. We want to see how they perform in the live market. You're talking about the people that were doing the bond stuff. Yeah, it would be interesting. I don't see it working because you can't take as many contracts as they were taking. That's what I try to explain to people, even in, like, with all these prop firms. Like, if you look at the amount of volume that goes through on just a single candle. Now imagine the tens of thousands of people trading the minis as well. Or this is actually just micros. Like, if you go over to minis, it's even less. Like, if you look at this, you're talking about one candle. It just, what was the volume on this candle? 995. So 995 total contracts. That means less than 1,000 people with one contract each, just one contract, traded that candle. Now imagine how many people were actually trading that candle on a simulated environment. Is way more than that. And that's what a lot of people don't understand. And what they were doing in the bonds market, you know, the bonds market, there'd be like five contracts going through in a whole minute. But people were trading 20 contracts at a time to take advantage of we'll just say 10. But like, they were trading way more, and they were trading 10 across 20 accounts, to give you context. So it just goes to show you that would not be, like, they wouldn't be able to do it in a live environment. You know, 5 of them. I'd be very curious to see how that works. I mean, why not? I mean, if they could figure out a way to make it work, then you guys profit, right? So there's no shame in trying. Crawford, yeah, I feel you. I'm not even in banking and I get all those emails. Tradeify, I don't know if you guys saw the email, but they officially have gotten rid of the daily loss limit after you hit a certain point on the accounts. So basically, they're just looking for you to hit above your buffer zones. And once you're to the buffer zones, you are... what's your email asking for, Fred? Once you're to the buffer zone, you lose the daily loss limit. Which I would personally keep it myself, but, you know... By removing it, you're actually giving yourself the opportunity to blow the account quicker than you would want to. Tick has no buffer. I don't mind the buffer. I really don't. Oh, you mean the buffer for the payouts? Yeah, I mean, I agree. I need to make one of those 3-minute videos for Tick. I'm also gonna have to make one for the Futures Desk as well. I feel like just finding the time to research to do those videos is what takes the most part. I mean, it literally takes me 3 to 4 minutes to record them. It's all the prep work to actually get it all set up that is the pain in the butt. Ace Trade Invest. Anybody heard of them?
In today's stocks and shares video, we're talking about 3D Capital, ticker IDK on the CSE, or IDKFF on the US OTC market. Stock trading over 60% below its NAV per share. Also known as
So what are we going to do moving forward on My Funded Futures? You want to see something funny? The whole 15-minute break thing, it worked after it made this new low. I mean, look at that move. I mean, that's what I was trying to capture on this move. Like, I got in on the break of this candle looking for the move back up, and it gave us a little bit, and then it just obliterated us. But I should have been out the first time and just stayed out. I shouldn't have got back in like an idiot. And then I tried DCAing, which made it even worse. I should have just waited for the next setup, because the next setup would have been great. I mean, look at that. That thing absolutely killed. And I think starting with like 5 contracts is probably better, because then I could take like 3 off and try to let 2 run, or maybe just start with 3, take 2 off and let 1 run kind of thing. But right now it feels like we're trying to go lower. Do you have videos on how to set up a workstation for Quantower or change the one provided? That's actually a good question. I think I do. Hold on, I made a Quantower. I used to do this for DOS Trader when I was trading stocks. I don't know if I did one for Quantower. Let me see. I didn't think it would be that helpful, but I do know a lot of people are asking me about it. So maybe it is something I could make. Oh yeah, it's like I have 3 different videos. I have Quantower copy trader setup. I have how to set up Quantower using Rhythmic, and then how to set risk parameters on My Funded Futures with Quantower. I don't have one just for setting up Quantower itself. Do you have like a specific question? I mean, I could probably answer it for you. Cause like, do I have my whole screen? Is there one where I have my whole screen? Let me add one real quick. Full screen. Display capture. All right. So this is my whole screen. I just got the request in Discord with your logo and name as VT. That's a scammer, right? Yes. I don't send friend requests. Really? I feel like I just went in looking for people and I didn't see any this morning. Let me go look again. By the way, if you've joined the Discord in the welcome channel, all you gotta do is click the little thing and it'll open up the rest of the channels for you. I see some of you that joined earlier didn't do that. Oh yeah, look, there is a scammer that quick. Volatility trading code Vala. Oh, these people. All right, he's banned. He gone. Thank you for the heads up. How to add additional charts. How to save the changes. So the changes save by themselves. But how you add additional charts is you go to the and then you just bind everything together. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Because I rebound everything, I have to do this. Yeah, I literally thought about that right before you said it. Hold on. All right, can you hear me now? Yeah, you can hear me. All right. So what I was saying is, top left, there's a thing that says bind. If you didn't bind everything yet, this won't be here. But no matter what, you would click the three little lines, and on this one it says I would unbind everything. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click the three little lines on any of the charts where it says group, or not, yeah, where it says group, and then hit create bind. And then you highlight everything by holding your mouse down, highlight everything. And then once you do that, bottom right, it'll say create bind. You hit that, and then everything gets binded together, and it'll auto save that. And now I have to redo everything. All right, time for marbles. Let's do it. Yeah, sorry, I didn't realize I was muted. I literally had just thought about it right when I did that. Exclamation point marbles if you haven't already. Womp womp. I wish I could hear those so I know when you do it. Sometimes I don't even notice you do it. Oh, I forgot that. I'm an idiot. But you guys already know that. All right, closing it up. Mail and spit not working. They just didn't work because I was on a screen that didn't have it on there. It should work now, but you already used it, so it might not. You could retry it now that we're on a screen that has it. When I went to the whole screen, that was a new scene. So I didn't copy all that stuff over to that because I don't plan on using it. 166, holy smokes, you guys have been busy. All right, here we go. I did give you an extra race, but we'll see how this one goes. All right, 150K Tradeify straight to funded account, worth $420 with code VALA. It's $6.99 without. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Robert Gallus, first one down. Let's get it. Let's go pew pew, baby. I should change that to say VT. I got these from Cam on the Cob. He does marbles basically for a living over on Twitch. I got these from him. That's why you always see Cam everywhere. All right, let's watch some of these go. Pew 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 pew. Oh yeah, I forgot about that thing. So like always makes it in, but we can get rid of that. We can get rid of that too. Man, there's so many things to change on this map. It's crazy. At least everybody's staying in bounds this time. Still got quite a lot left here. Kakalo. You should make Code Vala do something cool. That's actually not a bad idea. I always say I'm gonna start adding some more things, but I just never have the time. I really don't. Kids, man, kids. Buzz Nest, first one into the laser show. Here we go. We got 111 marbles left. Let's go. What? I thought there was no way to not make it into the laser show. What just happened? What? There's a... You can... What is going on? Are you guys hitting something? What is this? I've never seen people roll off the side. You must be like hitting each other or something. Never seen that. Have mochi. I would love to have some mochi. How come 166 and only 53 are watching? Well, let's see if you're smart enough to figure it out. Just like people always trying to take advantage of the system. That's not gonna line up. Oh, we got lasered anyway. John Doe. Nope. Mr. T. Mr. T. Oh, that's so close. We might actually. Maybe. No. Kevin Baker, you're gonna be too early. Down the chute you go. DT. Oh, no, you're gonna ruin it for everyone else. No. Get in there. No. Great Trex, you were so close. We got 3 shots. Monica. It's lining up. It's lining up, Monica. No, you were just a smidge early. All right, Richard. You're our last hope. Oh, you're going right for it. You're going right for it. Oh, it's going to line up. It's going to line up. It's going to line up. Go, Richard. No, you bounced to the right. Damn it. All right, exclamation point marbles. Get them in. You have until 12:05. You got 4 minutes. Get them in. 12:05. I'm going to go see how Mom's doing cooking this crab imperial today. I'm going to be at the screen at 12:05. I'm hitting it. I will hit close unless somehow my mom keeps me down there for longer, but I'm not going to allow that to happen. Code VALA, as always, I will be right back. 12:05. Look, I'm there. I'm ready. Look. There it is. It's ready to go. There was your there was your spit. All right, I'll be right back. Oh, you guys got me. She got me. A minute and a half. Man. So we started talking about pizza. All right, closing it up. Good luck. 113. Let's get it. What are we going to change tomorrow? That's what we should be thinking about. When you go to sleep tonight, I want you to think about what we're going to change on this map tomorrow. I think now that we have those two sides, because that was definitely, that needed to be done. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Divine Soul, first one. But I'm thinking now, is flattening a platform more valuable than getting rid of this thing? I think getting rid of this thing, the thing that closes, because we did that last time. I think that's probably more important than flattening one of those platforms first. Now, I don't even know what this is. What is this, like, random laser dot thing? It's just there. Pew pew. Wonder if that's what is shooting, like, those rocks out. I don't even know. Frogo, you're trying to find a way around. Oh, John Doe, holy crap. Can you land that? Oh, you bounced off of it, though. Some of you just go flying out of there. That's crazy. Anyone left? No, that's pretty quick. DT and King of Spades, last ones. Here we go. David Ratnick. First one into the laser show. My thoughts tonight will be pizza is a central food group. You and my son, my oldest son, would get along very well. Literally, when we ask the kids what they want to eat, he has never once not said pizza. It's like the only food word in his vocabulary. We eat pizza every Friday. We have pizza night. But that kid would eat pizza every day if he could. If he was allowed to, he would eat pizza every day. Jas B, I hope you don't get hit off the side there. Oh, you did. Dang it. David, first one into the laser show. Made it to the end. Here we go. Nope, that's not going to line up at all. Oh, he didn't even make it. Brady's going to make it. Nope, not lined up at all. All right, we got a slew of people coming. Here we go. It's about to line up, too. Oh, come on, somebody. Get it. Oh, no. Upper crust, you were in. You were headed in. Frogo, that's not the way. Dang it. Upper crust, you were there. McDonald's chicken nuggets. They do like McDonald's chicken nuggets. Turbo Trainer, you were just a smidge early. Pure Clean Skin, our last hope. Last hope. Nope, that's not gonna line up. Ah, all right. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna go eat some lunch. I will be back tomorrow. Pretty crazy morning. Had the huge move down to start, and then we kind of just seesawed back and forth, and we're still kind of just in this range, but I'm out of here. I appreciate y'all. Code Vala for all your needs. If you have any additional questions about the futures desk, any of the prop firms, feel free to join the Discord. I'm in there all day for the most part, and I'll talk to you in there. If not, I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Until then, peace.
Introducing IronBeam, the best choice for futures trading. IronBeam is the industry-leading broker catering to traders worldwide. With the free IronBeam platform and free real-time data, you can trade the most popular futures contracts anywhere and from any device. Low day trade margins, free depth of market, hundreds of indicators, and trading directly off the chart. Makes your trading more powerful than ever. Open an account today to trade with the best. IronBeam.